Take a ride in the 2023 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.